हाय। आज हम बात करेंगे कि ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट्स हम यूज करते हैं, इनकी लॉन्जिट्यूडी क्या है, इनकी लाइफ क्या है। बहुत सी फीमेल्स जो सोचती हैं ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट कराने, या उनके पार्टनर जो सोचते हैं कि उनके पार्टनर्स ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट कराएं, वो एक क्वेश्चन में हमेशा रहते हैं कि व्हाट आर द लाइफ ऑफ दिस ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट। Hi, I'm Dr. Rajat Gupta. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon working in Delhi, and today we'll discuss everything about life of breast implant. Now understand, these breast implants what we use today are called as 7th generation high cohesive gel implants. You can turn them, you can throw them, you can press them with a rock, nothing happens to them. They remain absolutely normal. They retain their own shape. Even if I press them very hard, they come back to its own shape. That's the beauty of this 7th generation high cohesive gel implants. In fact, even if I cut them, the gel does not flow out and go anywhere. It maintains its shape. The point which I'm trying to make is that top quality implants. I don't use any, it's not belittling any country, but I'm not using any Chinese cheap implants. I'm using top quality made in Brazil, made in France, or made in Germany implants. They all come with international warranty for 15 years. What this means is, the manufacturer says, if you have any issue with the implant, if they rupture or they have any issue, they will replace free of cost wherever you are, in whichever part of the world. Okay, 15 years warranty, what after that? You don't need to change these implants. There were earlier implants which there was some regulatory authority which said to change the implant. But these implants, don't need to change them. You can be with them throughout your life. Yes, you heard it right. Throughout your life, you can die with them. But if suppose you are 25, 30 and we do your surgery, and understand that breast ages, it sags as you age. At the age of 45, 50, your breast has sagged and you want to do a breast lift procedure and there is an implant inside. And if we are going and doing a redo surgery, then we change the implant. But this does not mean that we have to change the implant by choice. If we are going in after 10-15 years and doing another procedure, we change the implants. Otherwise, you can be with them throughout your life. You don't need to change them. This is the beauty of modern, good, top quality implants. We don't compromise. Top quality implants, be with it throughout your life. If you have any questions regarding this procedure, please connect with us. Me and my team are always there to guide you scientifically.